That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
This video is not how I had it planned, but I knew as soon as I met Rich, Jason, Alan, Heath from Sagibom, I knew that I didn't want to record and I just wanted to enjoy the moment. The drive was like 9 hours and almost 560 miles. I was really nervous because again, this is a fresh build. And I did everything myself, but we arrived to Bryson City. It's a small city in North Carolina and it's really gorgeous. And as soon as we arrived to the hotel, we start seeing a lot of great machines. It was impressive just seeing how a small town, like every car that you saw was just like the 90% of them were Rotary, and people talking in the parking. I don't know. I thought that was so cool. And actually that night we went to bed around 3:20 in the morning. I'll be honest, I was tired, but I couldn't stop hearing their stories. Phil talking about how he started DGRR, Heath how he started Sagibom, David Massey joined after, and all these amazing stories. I felt like all this information needed to be documented in a podcast. On the next day, we woke up really early and the guys wanted to go to the Tail of the Dragon. And on the way there, I tried to push the car a little bit and also, trying to stay with them. At the same time, I wanted to see, if the car was fine, even though I was way far from home to do this testing. But when we got to the Dragon, I got a little bit intimidated, so I didn't want to actually go through the Tail of the Dragon. And Tito invited me to go to the dam before everybody else, since there was many cars. We were trying to get a great spot, so I decided to go with Tito. And I'm glad that I did. Because when I arrived there and pop up the hood, we realized that I lost the nut that keep the alternator locked in place, and also the clutch reservoir that I purchased from Amazon is not the right one, because if it just go over the turbo and that area gets too hot. Once we arrived to the dam, again, meeting so many people that I've talked to through Messenger, and it was amazing to put a face on those text messages. I feel like I know a lot of people from even the forums, but we never meet in person. And for me, it was a great, amazing experience. Also hear everybody talking. It just have the same goals as you have, or go through the same issues with the Rotary engine, and I don't know. Also, YouTubers, influencers, or however you want to put it, they were pretty approachable. They take photos with you, share information. I don't know. It felt so great. I'll be honest. I felt like I was back in Puerto Rico because of the amount of Rotary engines cars that were there in one location. I wanted to thank Phil. I wanted to thank everyone who gave me the opportunity to be with them. Also, Alan, Rich, Heath, Jason, Tito, Neil, Shahada. Anyway, if I miss, there's so many people that I will have to extend the video to feed all of them. But thank you, especially Ihor on the last day. I thought that my car was going to get stranded over there, or at some point I thought to try to get a tow truck to get it to a parking and a safe place, and then just run the car with only one fuel pump. So I will always be grateful of all these amazing people. And the next day was the car show. We knew that that day was gonna rain, but however, we still wanted to enjoy the whole event. I met legends like Ray Kroc. We were able to meet more people, and even Zach from Eccentric Motorsport logged into my computer and was able to make some adjustments to make sure that my mat was safe. And that day during the night was the last part of the event. It was the award ceremony. Met more people, even some Puerto Ricans. And actually, what it was interesting was I realized that my channel gets seen by more people than I thought, just because several recognized me, wanted to take pictures with me. They gave me t-shirts, stickers, or different stuff that they had saved until they see me, and it really felt amazing. And I was gonna finish the video happy, with a happy moment, an amazing experience. But I guess you don't have the full experience of a Rotary engine car until you leave it all. Have a great day. Hi, Hor.
Hey, it's Ihor from AR Concepts. I guess we stopped at just the right time. We're gonna help this gentleman out here.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem.